again. Try to guess where I'm walking now. Of course, St. Petersburg. It's the third walk from St. Petersburg. I'm walking close to the main street of this city. The main street is, of course, Nevsky Prospect. But today I'm on another street. It is called Ligovsky Prospect. It's also a very long street. It's not so wide, not so beautiful, not so magnificent, but still it's close to the city center. And today we are crossing this street, we are passing this street, and I will show the other interesting things. But our target is come to a very popular store in St. Petersburg. It is called Galeria. And I will be showing you this place and telling you about it. So now I'm on the metro station. It's called Ligovsky Prospect exactly. It's orange line as I remember. It's rainy by the way. Yeah. All these days I was walking here and the weather was quite good. It was sunny, it was a bit cloudy, windy. It was nice. But today it's rainy finally. Nice. It's rainy but not so heavy, so it's fine. While I'm walking here, I will show other interesting places which I already visited before. So let's go. It's not the first time when I'm here. I already were here many times before. Especially, I was working here with my friend. There is the small Korean restaurant which I really like visiting. Also, there is this loft project floors. Actually, it is called Etagy. But we're speaking in English, so better just call it like it sounds in English. Of course, if you talk to Russian people, you will hear something like Etagy and so on. It's a big center with lots of different anime stuff. I will show you a bit of this place. It is exactly here, but I won't go deep inside. So that is the place. It looks so from the outside. Looks like some Japan store, anime and so on. But not just anime, there are some beautiful, some other stuff, like some clothes, which is absolutely not connected with anime, just something interesting. Beautiful dresses for princesses. Yeah. That's how it looks like, and inside there are 5 floors I had, but I won't go there today. This woman also was recording something. Didn't look like her look, but still nice. Polina. Yeah. All these days when I was walking, I was expecting it will be raining, but it was fine. And today, when I thought there must be sunny, there must be good weather, no wind, it won't be cold, nothing, it will be fine. Finally, it's raining. So today is a rainy, super rainy day. Yeah. I had no other choice just to go with this weather. I had no other choice. Yeah. And to be honest, I like walking under the rain. Only thing that I don't like that my phone suffers. That's it. Everything else is super fine. It's the beautiful weather. Oh, that looks lovely. It's the cafe. Let's keep walking. It won't take long time to get to Galeria from a Ligovsky Prospect, but it's much closer to this place from the Mayakovskaya metro station. Here. There is this small park. There must be the hospital here, as I remember, but I don't remember exactly yet. And I spend a lot of time in this park, especially in winter. There's snow. Looks lovely. Nice. People are hiding from the rain under the trees. Looks nice. I'm just walking here. What I said before and other vlogs, there are places in city center where this concentration of people with different clothes, interesting, ridiculous, it's scary, maybe just interesting clothes appears here. Yeah. That is, by the way, this Korean restaurant, which I really like and which I visited lots of times. Yeah.
Yeah.
I and my friend spend there many hours talking, watching something, just spending time together, because we were studying in different schools and we were trying to find the place where it will be calm, where there won't be a lot of people, where we can just relax, get some nice food, nice dishes, not super unhealthy, just a good place, really nice place. And we found this place, yeah, exactly in this restaurant. And after that, we were going to Galeria, and it was quite nice, really pleasant days. We were doing like this every Sunday because she was free in these days. I was free a bit, and we were glad just to meet. Yeah. To be honest, I did not expect it again that it will be so many people, because as I already said, it's rainy. I thought this grey clouds, this wet weather will scare all these people and they won't appear here. I will be walking here lonely and it will be super boring, but it's fine. There are a lot of people. Yeah. Here starts my favorite part of St. Petersburg. These buildings, I really like their appearance because it looks really attractive. Just very interesting style. I'd like to show you. Yeah. This looks really lovely. Some old style, but nice. Summertime is lovely time. It's cozy to walk, doesn't matter where. Is it nature? Is it the park? Too loudly. Don't like it. That sounds good. Okay, so doesn't matter if it is park, if it is city center. It is just your balcony and opened windows. It's very pleasant to listen to sounds of the rain, and it is not cold. Yeah, very important condition. It should not be cold. By the way, we are already in the right place. That is the walls of the Galleria. I can see people from this city's big store. That is the one of the entrances. Yeah. And people are coming inside through these doors. I will also do it. That's how it looks like inside. Yeah. Just very big store. The place where a lot of teenagers spend their time. Beautiful women are searching for nice new dresses. Some rich men are supporting them with this, with money, with the recommendations, advices, and so on. And just a place where the best friends can meet and spend a nice time. Yeah, today I'm going specifically to one store. It is very popular around the girls, the women, and just this female part of our population. The Golden Apple store. It's very famous, very popular in Russia. It will be Золотое яблоко. There are a lot of different cosmetic stuff exactly here. I visited this place many times, and I always could find something what I need. Today I'm not searching for something specific. I'm just walking here. Maybe I will try to find something for my lips because they are dry. Also, all the perfume which I have from this shop. That's me. Yeah. Today there are a lot of people here, and I, to be honest, didn't expect that it would be so. Some candles. Yeah. Some of them have interesting shape. Nice smell. Looks beautiful. Nice. So there is really a big number of people today. Yeah. I'm searching for the lipstick. Maybe I will try something. I'm not sure. The prices, by the way, are not bad. Maybe a bit more expensive just in simple shops, but the quality is really nice. Good, a lot of things here, so I can guarantee this. D3 vitamin. That's what I already use. Quite nice. Really helps. There are too many people to search for something right now, so I will do it a bit later. Now I will just continue walking here. This area looks like this. Yeah. There are lots of nice shops. Zarina is one of the best. Not super expensive. Quality is sometimes alright, sometimes so you will never guess. Design is not bad. I have some stuff from this shop. Yeah, now we are close to the main entrance. I'm on the second floor. Yeah. It would be better if I entered from the main enter, but it's fine, okay. Not a big deal. There is such a map, and I can find every shop which I need. Here, for example, maybe let's try English. No. Book. This. They are trying to find the booklet store shop for some books. It will be on the 4th floor. I need to go here, the 4th floor. So let's go ahead. Now I saw it and I remembered the store in Minsk. It was located under the ground. Yeah, there were 5 or 4 floors under the ground, like the store. We are going to this direction, but I think I can go here. It will be fine. There is one store, one shop which I really like, and that is the shop with lots of really different toys for kids. Yeah, it is quite interesting, quite nice, because it's colorful. There are a lot of attractive, interesting stuff there. I think now I'm going exactly there. Yeah, because I definitely need to show you this. Right? Yeah, let's keep walking. We are going upstairs again using this thing. That is the food court, as I said. Yeah. Also, that is the Детский мир, very popular shop in Russia. Yeah, for kids, exactly. But a lot of people are visiting this place just to find some collection of cars. Yeah. For example, me. Sometimes I'm going there to get some Hot Wheels cars. We have Burger King, we have coffees, Subway, Stew, Rostix, Termok. Rostix is the Russian version of KFC. There are a lot of teenagers here. That is exactly one store which I was searching for. There are nice books, nice pens, and some other stuff. Maybe some candies. Tried. Yeah. Some anime. Or some, I will never say it, supernatural. In general, the bookstore for teenagers. Memories. But it's very shitty quality of the book. What is the price for this? It's 929. I bought such books but with better quality, like this. Yeah, the whole collection is about 6,000 rubles was for me. I still keep it back home. But after them, I started reading something more serious. It was like the beginning, like Walter Isaacson was nice. Small child on the scooter. Shop for fun. Some Korean stuff. I'm not so old, I'm not so young. I cannot say that I'm a small child. I cannot say like I'm this stupid type of teenager, like 13 years old, small girl who is reading some novels. There's the 5th floor, but I don't want to go there. Yeah, there are some restaurants. That is the cafe with some sweet stuff. These guys are not bored. They have a lot of work to do. Looks lovely. I think I walked enough here. Oh yeah, the elevator. Where is the elevator? So now I will show you the store from the outside. This facial. And we are going back to the metro. Yeah, I hope the rain stopped, but I cannot be sure. The rain, yeah. The weather in St. Petersburg is quite something super unpredictable. Yeah, you will never know what will happen the next minute, the next second, next hour, and so on. Of course, there were clouds when I was going outside, but clouds surround the St. Petersburg almost all the time, so it's not the real characteristic of the real reason to start thinking that there will be rain. The walls I always can see very beautiful pictures, and they looks really aesthetic. For example, this, not my face. I think the rain didn't stop. I feel cold from outside. The unpleasant cold wind. I feel it. So let's check because I did not really understand. Yeah, it did not stop. It's not very heavy, but it's fine. It's pleasant. Oh yeah, I need not to forget to show you this store from outside. This the small square in front of this building. We can see the name Galeria, some statues. Looks nice. That is our world. Um, that is the place where I don't really like to be because there are teenagers who like stopping you and ask you lots of strange questions, like asking if you can answer some questions because we are recording the video. Sometimes it's funny, but sometimes they look very suspicious or strange, and it's very unpleasant to talk to them. And that place exactly gather a lot of teenagers. Yeah, there are some garden stuff. Maybe something can happen. Sometimes I see here the police because you can see there are a lot of people here. That is the Nevsky Prospect. In this side, the Ploshchad Восстания, Rebellion Square, as you want to call it, as I already told you many times. But we are going to the metro. We will enter it now. It's Ploshchad Восстания. Don't like this sound. That is all for now. I'm using the metro again. And I'm already going back. I love it because of the weather. It was really nice. Really enjoyed this. And now I'm using the metro. So thank you for joining me in this small trip, small walk. Thank you. I will see you later. Bye.